We begin with breaking news tonight. Adnan Syed will get a new trial. He is the man convicted of killing his ex-girlfriend, but this podcast serial raised some serious questions about his guilt. WJZ is live downtown. Avajoy Burnett with the ruling from Maryland's second highest court. Avajoy?
Mayor, this case has been in the legal system for almost 2 decades, but now Adnan Syed and his attorney have a new victory. Today, the Maryland Court of Special Appeals granted Adnan Syed a new trial. In 2000, the then 17-year-old was convicted for murdering his high school girlfriend, Heyman Lee, then burying her in a shallow grave in Leakin Park. But 6 years later, a judge vacated that conviction and said he deserves a new trial. Syed's attorney said that's because a key witness was never introduced during trial. That witness, Asia McClain, said she saw Syed in the Woodlawn Library around the same time prosecutors say Lee was murdered. Syed's attorney believes if Asia McClain had testified, his client would have never been convicted. Prosecutors tried to fight the ruling, but today an appeals court agreed that Syed does in fact deserve a new trial. His attorney was pleased.
It's been a really long wait, and that's been hard, and it's been stressful, obviously not just for us, but for Adnan, who's now been in prison for 19 years, going on 20 years in prison.
In the past, Heyman Lee's family has not hidden their disappointment. They wrote, "It remains hard to see so many run to defend someone who committed a horrible crime, who destroyed our family, who refuses to take responsibility when so few are willing to speak up for Hay." And there were some questions about the reliability of cell phone tower records, but Adnan Syed's attorney said this decision to grant him a new trial ultimately came down to the fact that a key witness was not introduced. Reporting live downtown, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.
Avajoy, thank you. The serial podcast has been downloaded millions of times.